Find a flat surface that's not slippy. Flat shoes are best for this practice. Bring your feet together, arms by your side. Feel the soles of your feet on the ground. Reach up through the sides of your body. Feel the crown of your head reaching up towards the sky. Gently close your eyes if that feels comfortable. Find some inner stillness. Place your hands on your belly below your navel. This is your dantian, your energy center. Take deep breaths all the way down into your belly. Notice how you're feeling. Gently blink your eyes open. Step your feet out to make horse stance. We'll be gently bending our knees, rising up and sinking down. Keep your spine straight. Gently bend your knees. Imagine you're holding the reins of a horse. You can widen your legs as you glide up and down. Horse stance. Raise your arms up to shoulder level. Lower them and gently bend your knees. Arms up and down. Keep moving like this. Breathe in, standing up. Breathe out as you sink down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Move slowly, breathing deeply. Notice any sounds you can hear. Feel the temperature of the air on your skin. You can widen your legs anytime. Now we'll row the boat. Make horse stance, a gentle bend in your knees, hinge forwards, taking care of your back, arms out, drawing them back, stand up, rotate your palms. Bending your knees, hinge forwards, mind your back, arms out, draw them back as you stand up, rotate your palms. Imagine your arms are oars as you move them slowly through the water. Breathe in, coming up. Breathe out, reaching forwards. Breathe in. Breathe out. Move slowly like this at your own pace. Gently rock up and down. Keep a gentle bend in your knees. Watch your back at all times. Row the boat. Great. Horse stance again, arms out, one in front, one behind, both palms up. Bring one palm towards your ear and push it forwards. Draw your other hand back. Both palms up. One palm towards your ear and push forwards. Draw the other back, both palms up. Keep moving like this, changing hands, twisting your torso. It's a bit like swimming. Pushing one palm forwards, drawing the other one back as you twist. You can breathe whatever way feels best, and keep a small bend in your knees. Pushing, pulling, both palms up. Get into a gentle rhythm as you roll your arms. Breathing with the movements. Great. Now move your shoulders to release any tension. Feet wide again in horse stance. Raise your hands up. Come onto your tippy toes if that feels comfortable. Lower your arms and gently bend your knees as you sink down. Hands up on your toes or not, reach up. Hands down and gently bend your knees. Keep moving like this at your own pace, being very careful not to slip. Breathe in, reaching up. Breathe out, sinking down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Find a nice rhythm. Be careful of your balance. Keeping your feet flat on the ground is fine too. Imagine you're a bird, flapping your wings. Notice the sounds of any birds close by. Feel the air on your skin as you breathe in and breathe out. Now we'll make the pigeon movement. Horse stance. Stand back on one foot, open your arms. Move your weight onto your front foot and close your arms. Feet together. Step back with the other foot, open your arms. Lean into your front foot, close your arms and feet together. Keep doing these movements backwards and forwards and get into a rhythm. Moving your weight backwards and forwards from foot to foot. Breathe in as you open your arms. Breathe out as you close them. Breathe in. Breathe out. Imagine your arms are wings, opening and closing. Can you lift your front foot slightly in balance? And lift your other foot. Be very careful not to slip or fall. How about lifting your back foot? And the other foot. Keeping your feet on the ground is fine too. How about lifting both feet? Listen to any birds nearby. Well done. Move your shoulders now to release any tension. Bring your feet together, arms by your side, stand up tall. Reach down through your fingertips. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable. Feel the soles of your feet on the ground. Reach up through the sides of your body. Feel the crown of your head reaching up towards the sky. Place your hands on your belly onto your dantian, your energy center. Try to be in this moment, right here, right now. Notice how you're feeling. Feel the sensations of the air on your skin. Gently blink your eyes open. I hope you enjoy the exercises and connecting with nature around you. See you in the Chester Beatty very soon.